Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. My dear students, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3, that is human health. And today I will give you a complete introduction of this chapter. So, my dear students, let's start that what we are going to do in this unit, in this chapter. In the World Health Organization, which is called WHO, words, the health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So, illness can be defined as feeling of being unhealthy. In the following chapter, we will study symptoms, transmission, and preventive measures of some diseases. Along with these, we will learn about necessary ways to maintain good health as well. So, my dear students, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली आपकी जो हेल्थ है वो आपकी फिजिकल और सोशल वेलबींग होती है. सो अगर इफ़ यू आर इल दैट मीन्स यू आर अनहेल्दी. सो इस चैप्टर में हम इलनेस क्या है, उसके कॉजेज एंड सिम्टम्स कैसे होते हैं, हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दीज डिजीजेज एंड जर्म्स, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, when we will start lecture number 1, we will discuss and the students will be able to observe and recognize some common symptoms of illness such as fever, coughing, and influenza. And the page that will be under reading is page number 40. So then we will move forward towards lecture number 2, and in lecture number 2, the students will be able to differentiate between contagious diseases like hepatitis, TB, influenza, and polio, and non-contagious like cancer and diabetes. Relate the transmission of common communicable diseases, that is touching, sneezing, and coughing, to human contact. So, my dear students, in the second lecture, the page that will be under reading is page number 41. और इसमें हम different illnesses तो हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके होंगे. इसके बाद हम contagious और non-contagious diseases, ऐसी बीमारियां जो लग जाती हैं और जो नहीं लगती, उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. और कैसे जो है different germs जो है वो transmit होते हैं, we will also discuss about that. So, in lecture number 3, the students will be able to explain some methods of preventing common diseases and their transmission, for example, vaccination, washing hands, and wearing masks. So, my dear students, how we can prevent some diseases, we will discuss about the preventive measures. The page that will be under discussion in lecture number 3 is page number 42. And then we will move forward towards lecture number 4. In lecture number 4, the students will be able to describe the importance of maintaining good health, and they will be able to recognize everyday behaviors that promote good health, like balanced diet, drinking clean water, exercising regularly, brushing teeth, getting enough sleep. And they will also be able to define balanced diet and its components. So, my dear students, एक health को maintain रखने के लिए, एक healthy lifestyle को maintain करने रखने के लिए आपको किन किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है, हम उनको discuss करेंगे. Diet जो है वो health के लिए बहुत important होती है, so it must be balanced. So, what is the balanced diet? We will also discuss that. The page that will be that we will read is page number 43. And then in lecture number 5, the students will be able to define balanced diet and its components. So, हम balanced diet और components जो है उसके वो उनको देखेंगे. And the page that will be under discussion is page number 44. Then in lecture number 6, the students will be able to define balanced diet and its components. हम different जो balanced diet है उसके components को पढ़ेंगे, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats. So one by one same SLO follow होगा, components different होंगे हर lecture में. So the page that will be under discussion is page number 45. Then in lecture number 7, the students will be able to identify common food sources included in a balanced diet, like fruit, vegetables, grains, milk, meat, and meat group. So, आपके जो balanced diet या आपकी daily की जो diet है उसमें जो मुख्तलिफ food groups added हैं, students will be able to identify them, and the page that will be under reading is page number 46. In lecture number 8, the students will be able to understand the value of clean drinking water and inquire about the factors that generally make it unclean. So, साफ पानी कितना हमारी हेल्थ के लिए ज़रूरत है, और अगर पानी साफ नहीं होता तो कैसे बीमारियां फैलती हैं, तो कौन कौन सी फैक्टर्स हैं जो इसको अनक्लीन बना देते हैं और इसकी क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है साफ सुथरे पानी की, वी विल डिस्कस इन लेक्चर नंबर 8, एंड द पेज दैट वी विल रीड इज पेज नंबर 47. Then we will move forward towards lecture number 9. In lecture number 9, the students will be able to explore a few ways that can help make clean and suitable drinking water like water filtration and boiling. हम कुछ वेज सजेस्ट करेंगे लेक्चर 9 में जिससे पानी को साफ किया जाता है, जिससे हम घर पे पानी को साफ कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि बॉइलिंग और फिल्ट्रेशन जैसे मेथड्स. सो द पेज दैट विल बी read is page number 48. Then in lecture number 10 we will make a project and we can make a filtration plant at home with plastic bottles, reusable stuff ko use karke. This will be a fun project. And then the last lecture, lecture number 11, is the chapter review, and in this lecture we will revise the full chapter and I will give you an assessment sheet to evaluate you. I hope you will learn a lot of things from this chapter. Until then, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.